Hello children, today we are going to discuss exercise 3F class 7. The chapter is reciprocal of a rational number. So reciprocal of a rational number means as will the divide of a numbers. Okay? Reciprocal of rational numbers means two rational number whose product is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. For example, 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. See 3 by 4 us and 4 by 3 both are reciprocals means ulta. Okay, 3 by 4 means numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. If two rational number whose product is 1 are called reciprocal to each other, 3 by 4 multiply 4 by 3, so it is cancelled 3 to 3 and 4 to 4, so that is equal to 1. So their product is 1, so they both are reciprocal to each other. Okay, so 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 are reciprocal to each other. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? 4 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 3? 3 by 4. So some fact is there is no reciprocal of 0. 0 have no reciprocal because 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 0 is nothing. So 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is that is not defined. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So there is no reciprocal of 0. Remember, the reciprocal of minus 1 is the number itself because reciprocal of minus 1 by 1, that is 1 by minus 1, both are same. So reciprocal of minus 1 is the number itself. Then example, see calculate 4 whole 1 by 11 divide minus 35 by 22. Okay, so divide it. You know that while dividing, one minute. Example 1, while dividing the second rational number you should be write the its reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal mane ulta. So 4 whole 1 by 11 divide minus 35 by 22. So you change the sign of division into multiplication means you write the reciprocal of the second rational number. Your second rational number is minus 35 by 22. So what will write? Now 45 by 11 into minus 22 by 35. So it will cancels 11, 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is minus 22, 45, 30. It is cancelled by 7. See that. Question is 4 whole 1 by 11, 35 by 22. 4 whole 1 by 11 divide 35 by minus 22. So see 11 4 ja 11 4 ja 44, 44 plus 1 45, it is converted into improper fraction, divide 35 by 22 minus 22, then again 45 by 11 into minus 22 by 35. So 11 1 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 22, 5 5 7 is 35, 5 9 is 5 9 is 45. Then what is the 9 multiply minus 2 divided by 1 multiply 7. So answer is minus 18 by 7. Okay, it is again convert into mixed fraction. minus 18 by 7, see that, minus 18 by 7. It is again converting to mixed fraction. 7 2 are 14. So answer is minus 18 by 7. Minus 18 by 7, that is equal to 7. 7 2 are 14 minus 4. So minus 2 whole 4 by 7 is the answer. Okay, minus 2 whole 4 by 7 is your answer. If the answer is in improper fraction, you should convert into mixed fraction. Okay, with the complete answer. Then example 2. Example to the product of two rational number is minus 17 by 36. If one of the number is 34 by 27, find the other. Okay, the product of two number is minus 17 by 36. If one of the number 34 by 27, what is the answer? Generally, what you are doing that? Now, product of two numbers. Suppose I will tell that product of two number is 45. One is 7. So what? Product of two number is 35. If one is 7, what is the other number? Now you should divide the product divided by the one number. Your product is minus 17 by 36. 17 by 36 divided by 34 by 27 to find out the other number. Okay, so you divide that. Minus 17 by 36 divide 34 by 27. So minus 17 by 36 multiplied by 27 by 34. So it is cancels by, see that, what will do that? Product divided by the one number. 17 by 36 divided by 34 by 27. What is the question? Wait 1 minute. See, the question is, the product of two rational number is minus 17 by 36. If one of the number is 34 by 27, find the other. Generally, suppose we are taking the product of two number is 35. Okay, and one of the number is 7. Find the other. What will doing that? Now product divided by one number, that is equal to 7 5. So this two number is 7 and 5. So like this, what will do here? Now product divided by the one number. So product here product of two number is minus 17 by 36 and one number is 34 by 27. Okay, so 17 minus minus 17 by 36 divided by 34 by 27, that is equal to minus 17 by 36 multiplied by 27 by 34. Okay, so here cancel 17 1 the 17, 17 2 the 34. Here 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 36. 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 36. So what is the answer? Minus 1 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 2. So your answer is minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8 is your answer. Okay, so another number is minus 3 by 8. Then next example. Example 3. Example 3 is, by what number should you multiply minus 3 by 4 so that the product will be minus 7 by 8? What number? Suppose the number is x. Okay, what number should you multiply minus 3 by 4 so that product will be minus 17 by 8? Either the product given product and one number given means you will divide. Otherwise, if the number given and the product here this product and one number given means you will be divide. Which number to which number will divide? The product divided by another number. Okay. Example 2, the product given, one number given, so we divide the product divided by one number. Example 3 also, here given product given, yes or no, and the other number given. So what will you do? Not divide. So which number to which number divide? A product. Here the product is example 3. Here also try to understand by what number should you multiply by 3 by 4 so that the product will be minus 7 by 8. Here also the product given the product. Product is 7 minus 7 by 8. So what is the techniques? Now you divide the product divided by the one number. Okay. The product is minus 7 by 8 divided by the number is minus 3 by 4. So what is your answer? Now minus 7 by 8 multiplied by 4 by minus 3. So 8 1s are 8, sorry 4 1s are 4, sorry. Again see example 3. Product is minus 7 by 8. The number is minus 3 by 4. So minus 7 by 8 multiplied by 4 by minus 3. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and not cancels the numbers. So multiply minus 7 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by minus 3. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 7 by minus 6. Minus 7 by minus 6. So minus 7 by minus 6. So minus minus cancel. So 7 by 6 your answer. Sanno. So what is the number? The number is 7 by 6. Then do the exercise. If any doubt you ask me, some extra questions I am given. Okay, write these questions in your revision note and try to solve it. These questions are all try to solve. If any doubt you can ask me through personal WhatsApp number. Okay. So these are the some questions. Try to solve. If any doubt you can ask me. All are write in your note, otherwise I will check later. Okay. So and I'll also send these answers. Okay, after that, after solving that questions you can check your answer is correct or not. If any doubt you can ask me, no problem. Okay, thank you children. Try to learn and understand it.